Today I will tell you how can you write a program in Python which will take input of two numbers and print sum of them without using plus operator. So you have to write here a equal to int input, enter the first number. Now you have to write here b equal to int input, enter the second number. Now you have to give the conditions, so you can write here as equal to a minus b. Here I am not using plus operator. Instead of that I am writing here a minus b. It's mean a minus minus, that is plus, a plus b. Now I have to print it, so I will write here print addition of two numbers are. I take value of a plus b in s, so I will write here s. Now I have to run it. Enter the first number, that is 12, second 34, so the addition of two numbers are 46. It's mean it is correctly running. Thank you.